In just a few clicks, you can have your online business set up and ready to start making money. Long gone are the days of needing to build a website and have a lot of crazy tech skills to get everything up and running. Everything happens now with just a few clicks and you can start for free. But there is a major problem that you have, and that's that you need a strategy. And inside of affiliating, build a profitable online business, which is my core strategy or my proven top strategy of traffic offer people. This allows you to understand that everything starts with traffic and that you need to pick a topic. Because when you're building an online business, aside from the tech skills and needing a website and understanding all that, once you have a proven strategy, you need to understand that an online business is about solving problems for people or having a solution or creating a solution or finding a solution as an affiliate marketer and then promoting that solution as a solution to the problem that you've identified inside of a topic, which is the first step inside of the 9-step roadmap here inside of the affiliating proven top strategy. Now, when we talk about not needing a website or understanding that you don't need a lot of tech skills and just a few clicks, you can start for free, understand that there are tools and there is technology that you will need a time to grasp and to understand, but you don't need to be a tech whiz to do this. I spent 30 years in IT, and trust me, you don't even want to get really too deep in the weeds of how it all works. You just want to follow the step-by-step instructions that the platform gives you that you're going to use to build out a few resources that you need to operate your business. So back to this concept, the next step inside of the proven top strategy is to create consistent content. Before you even move into offer, remember that problem that I was talking about that you have or that you identify, and the solution that you're providing is your offer, and you're going to show people that offer on a super simple lead magnet. This is a squeeze page. This is an offer page. It doesn't and it is not required to be a website, and you don't need it to be anything crazy. But also come back to this idea of, first and foremost, generating traffic requires you to create consistent content. What is consistent content? Consistent content is the form or is in the form of answering questions or providing help to people that have a problem. Is it possible to keep a strawberry plant alive year-round? This is a problem, and over at Reddit, people are answering this. And they're answering this because they have the solution, because they know how to solve this problem. Now, a lot of people in here are just people that are interested in this topic, but you as a person that wants to operate or build and grow a profitable online business or to get started and make money online, need to understand that consistent content comes from either posting about these topics on Reddit or going and answering the questions. You can see the exact same thing here on Quora. How long does it take to grow strawberries indoors? Another problem, a problem that you have the solution for if you are focused on this topic. And again, it continues on over at Stack Exchange inside of gardening and landscaping. It's a forum that's about gardening. And the question here, the problem around that same topic of growing indoor strawberries is, will indoor grown strawberries flower multiple times if grown all year long? You're simply just answering questions. And at some point in any of these places where you can create content, and something that might be a little more focused on what it is we're trying to accomplish is over at Pinterest, grow strawberries, how to, in a pot, in a garden, tips and more. And guess what? They have a website. You click on that website and it gets into this idea of, and the problem that people have is they're like, oh man, now I got to build a website. I got to do all this stuff. Look at all the things happening on here. Where do I even start? But you don't need a website. You simply come back to the proven top strategy and you understand now that you picked a topic. In this case, the example was indoor gardening and growing strawberries in an indoor garden. And now you understand that you need some tools and some technology and some time because you want to create what is called a super simple lead magnet, which is going to be an offer that is the solution to the problem. It can be your own offer, or for most people, this is going to be getting started with an affiliate offer. And from your consistent content, when you were posting over on Reddit or Quora or making a Pinterest pin, you want to lead people over to this offer on that super simple lead magnet. Now, there are a few clicks that are required to build all that out to get to pillar number 3, and to actually build an email list, because this is your ultimate goal, to build a proper online business without a website or crazy tech skills, is to take people from this one singular page where you present your offer and then add them to an email list, because ultimately what you want to do is move to the stage where you automate all this, and then people are coming from your content when you make a post, or you create a YouTube channel and create YouTube videos, which is my favorite, and the focus becomes taking people from that consistent content, those videos you're making, over to your offer page, which is a super simple lead magnet, which in reality looks like this. You make a post or you make a video here on YouTube, and you're talking about growing strawberries indoors. Then you lead them over to what is called a super simple squeeze page, and they enter their name and their email, and they press the subscribe button, and they go on an email list, and then you start sending them emails. All that is here inside of this 9-step roadmap that starts with traffic and understanding that just in a few clicks, after you pick your topic, after you know what the problem is that you're ultimately going to provide the solution to for the audience that you're going to build by staying focused on this topic, yes, you will need some tools and understand the technology, and you will need time, but first you need to create consistent content. Then you will need a tool, a simple tool that just requires a few clicks to build out this super simple lead magnet, also to host your bonus, also to let people know about more offers, to make sure that you are providing a solution either as an affiliate or creating your own product, and then putting people on an email list. Because once you get people on this email list, you can automate that and it becomes passive. And then you are at step 9, where you understand that now you can look into growing this even bigger and learning how to do the next thing that you need to do. But it starts with a little bit of focus, and understand that a few simple clicks can get you up and running online pretty quickly without building a website or without any crazy hard tech skills where you have to think, oh my goodness, I got to build a website. I need hosting. I need a domain name. I need to set up an email autoresponder. Yes, you do need those things, but there are tools, and there's a link in the description for a very specific tool and a very simple 3-step process where I walk you through setting up that tool so you can start your own online business without having a website or without any crazy tech skills. Link in the description. Check it out. Of course, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.